Hey guys, this is our first advanced band lesson online, so welcome. So the way that these online lessons are going to go is I will play the part that I want you to work on first. Then we'll go over any new or review concept just that you need to know to play this part. Then I'm going to go through each instrument's part and point to the notes, and we'll talk about which note is which. And then at the end, I'll play it for you one more time so that you know how it sounds. Okay. We are going to be cutting these pieces up into small sections. Okay. So for your assignment, you need to at least work on the section that we talk about here in the video. If you want to, you can play more, and that's totally fine. Okay. So let's get started. Today we're going to work on number 187, La Bamba. So that's the duet we had started most recently in class that we are planning on playing in our concert. And first I'm going to play the A part, then I'll play the B part. The assignment is just going to be the first line. That's measures 1 through 6. Okay, and today I'm going to play it on the flute. I'm going to cycle through the different instruments so that you all get representation, but today is a flute day. Okay, so A part. That's right. Okay, and by the way, we're actually going to play measure 1 to 8. I said that wrong because it just kind of repeats, so it makes more sense to do it like that. Okay. All right, here is the B part. Okay. All right, so a couple of things you need to watch out for while you're playing. The first one is the accent. So we have learned about accent before. Remember that it's this little guy right above the note. Kind of looks like a greater than sign, and it tells you to play the note with more emphasis. Okay, so I'm tonguing harder, and I hope you could hear that. Ta, ta. You'll hear it again at the end of class. Make sure you're listening for that. And really trying to bring those notes out. We want them to be accentuated, the ones that are accented. Okay. Good. And then the other thing I want you guys to pay attention to is the key signature. Okay, so it is going to be different for you than what we normally play. So for flutes, you guys only have flutes and trombones. There's only one flat. Trumpet, and so that's just B flat. E flat is E is natural, no E flat. Okay. For flute and trumpet, or clarinet and trumpet, we only have one. We have one sharp, F sharps. Okay, so make sure you play your F sharp. And for saxophones, getting your book up right here. You guys have two sharp, so F sharp and C sharp. Remember, C sharp is no fingers. Okay. If you're not sure about a note, you can look it up in the front of the book or in the back of the book. And remember, if you don't have your book, I've also posted the fingering charts to our Google Classroom, so you can check those out. Okay. All right. So now we're going to go through the notes for each instrument. You don't have to stay and watch all the other instruments because that doesn't really help you. So just skip to the part that has your instrument. So the order is going to be this. First, flute. Next, clarinet and trumpet. And third, alto saxophone. And finally, trombone. Okay, so make sure you skip to your part and don't waste your time watching about an instrument that is not yours. Okay, so flute. Michelle, you're playing the A part, so we're just going to work on the A part here, okay? I'm just going to sing it across. I hope you can see it or you're following along. Here we go. In your own book. So it starts on F, okay? F, D, E, E, sh, sh, D, E, E, sh, sh. A, F, G, G, sh, sh. Okay, and notice, I know we talked about this in class, but notice that measure 1, 2, 3, 4, this whole chunk is the same as measure 5, 6, 7, and 8. So if you can play this, you can play this too. All right, good. Next, clarinet and trumpet. Clarinet and trumpet. Now you guys, trumpets, you guys are both playing the A part. Clarinets, we've got some clarinets playing A part and some playing B part. So I'll go over the notes for both of those parts right now. Okay, starting with the A part. G, E, F sharp, sh, sh. B, G, A, sh, sh. G, E, F sharp, sh, sh. B, G, A, sh, sh. Okay, that's the A part. And now B part. For some of our clarinets here. D, C, D, D, C, C, D, G, E, F sharp, E, E, F sharp, D, C, D, D, C, C, D, G, E, F sharp, E, E, F sharp. Okay. Next is our alto saxophones. Let's see, what part are you guys playing here? You guys are playing, you're both playing the B part. Yeah. You guys are both playing the B part, so we're just going to go over the B part. All right, La Bamba. Alto saxophones, starting on A. A, G, A, G, G, A, D, B, C sharp, B, B, C sharp, A, G, A, G, G, A, D, B, C sharp, B, B, C sharp. Okay. And last but not least, trombone. Trombone, you're playing the B part. Let's go over the B part. Starts on C. Yeah. C, B flat, C, C, B, B, C, F, D, E natural, D, D, E natural, C, B flat, C, C, B flat, C, F, D, E natural, D, D, E natural. Don't forget that E natural there. Okay, everybody. That was the song. If you have any questions at all, please reach out to me and I'll be more than happy to help you out with your part. Any questions or concerns about how something goes. I'm going to play it for you one more time on the flute today. I'll play the A part first and the B part second. Listen for the accents, practice that at home, and I hope you have fun practicing. Okay, A part. Okay, and B part. make sure that you sign up for a lesson time during your week or submit a video of yourself playing this to me by the end of your lesson week. See you later. Bye.